What's up everyone, it's Barb here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a really bad sounding mic with a webcam. This is the webcam only tutorial. If you guys want the one with a normal mic, then leave it in the comments below. But first, I just want to say, if you want to join my Discord for giveaways and more, then the link will be in the description. Make sure to join it, you might win a giveaway. The giveaways will start once we reach a certain amount of members. Okay, so let's get in the video. So basically, you want to go to settings, make sure you have a webcam with a mic on it. Go to system, go to sound, then make sure your webcam mic is the one connected there. Then you go into device properties, additional device properties, then go to levels, turn that up to the max, as high as you can get it. Then go to advanced and make sure this is on the lowest quality. And once you do that, your mic should sound like this. What's up everyone? This is how the mic sounds once you've done all that. So I'll see you guys in the next video.